Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today let's take a quick look at iPadOS 26 Public Beta 2. This beta version is aimed at testers and anyone who is curious to know about the new features before the official release. In iPadOS 26 Beta version 1, I was having some problem. You can see here that it is not showing properly update now. The size of this update is 2.91. After this update, the user interface have become very smooth. There are thoughtful upgrades making interactions more intuitive and visually appealing. In this update, you can increase the size of the time. You can use solid color or glass design. It gives a fresh look to your iPad. Also, there is no screen flickering issue after this update, so you can definitely update to the latest version. Apps such as Apple Music and Notes now feature splash screen that highlight their latest updates. These screens provide a quick overview of new features, helping you navigate the apps more efficiently. Many new features have been added to this new Note app. I will make a dedicated Note app video in the long run, so stay tuned for that video. The animation of dropping down the notification panel seems to be very good now. Battery performance remains a critical focus in iPadOS 26 Beta version 2, and the introduction of the adaptive power feature represents a significant advancement. Even in the display section and the battery section, you can enter into these display settings. These features have been added after this update. This update brings Apple's ongoing efforts to balance performance with energy efficiency, making sure your device remains reliable throughout the day. The new stats of battery will definitely help you. Actually, Apple have changed the look and feel in the battery section. After this update, I felt no jitteriness or lag while scrolling through apps. So I can easily say that Apple has fixed the bugs that was present in the last update, that is iPadOS Public Beta 26. After this update, let me go into the settings and then iPad storage. You can see that iPadOS is taking 11.93 GB and system data is 10.78 GB. After Public Beta 26.1, many wallpapers have been added, but after this update no wallpapers are there. These wallpapers were previously available. So Apple has changes internally. There are fewer changes internally that you can notice while using this iPadOS 26 Public Beta 2. I am still testing all the features available in this iPadOS 26, so you have to wait few days till you update it on your iPad. I will make a review video of iPadOS 26 Public Beta 2, so stay tuned for that video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you want to know anything about this update, let me know in the comment sections below. The only condition is you have to like the video and then ask your question.